Hey guys, this is Tim. I received this 20-inch cordless hedge trimmer the other day from Immune Live to review. So I'm going to open it up, take the contents out, and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, we got the 20-inch hedge trimmer user manual that gives us instructions on how to operate. We have a 21-volt lithium ion battery to charge and battery charger. We have a brush guard to be installed and a handle to be installed. So those are the only two parts that need to be installed. Comes with a Phillips screwdriver, an Allen wrench, and the Allen wrench is for a grease port here on the bottom that you can use to lubricate the hedge trimmer, and Phillips head screws to install the brush guard and the handle. And of course we have the 20-inch cordless hedge trimmer with a removable guard. Okay, let's install this brush guard first. It just inserts into this opening here. And then on the back side, you place a Phillips head screw in, just drop it in the little hole right here. Tighten that up. And then this handle will just slip over each side of the hedge trimmer handle. Then there's a place on each side underneath here to insert the bolt there. Then repeat it on the other side. Okay, since I'm right-handed, we'll look at the hedge trimmer from this angle. You can see the brush guards installed and the handle. Handle's meant to hold with one hand and the hedge trimmer with your other hand. You could do it left or right-handed, but you do have this safety switch. It has to be depressed first before your trigger is activated. Okay, for example, you press that down with your thumb and mash the trigger down and it'll work. And once you release the trigger, you'll have to press down this safety switch each time. You don't necessarily have to hold the safety switch down. It has a rubber coated handle for comfort. The hedge trimmer only weighs about 4.4 pounds, 4.5 pounds. It has cast metal underneath, and you have a lubrication port here that you can use the Allen wrench and lubricate as needed. A brushless motor inside that will last for many years. And then you have the 20-inch trimmer in itself, and it will cut on both sides, so you can cut hedges left or right or up and down, and it will cut branches up to 3/4 of an inch. Stated earlier, it does come with a battery and charger. To charge the battery, you have this charger port here. You just insert the male plug of that and then this into your outlet, and this will indicate your charge. It came charged 3/4 of the way, but I went ahead a while ago and charged it up. You insert the battery on the back. You just line the slots up here, press down until it clicks, then you're ready to go. So you can depress the safety button, activate the switch to activate the trimmer. Okay, you have 3 different speeds for trimming. Mash the button on the top. When you see one green light, that is the lowest speed. It cuts at 2,000 SPMs or saws per minute. Here's what it looks and sounds like. Two lights indicate the middle speed, which is 2,500 SPMs, saws per minute. Here's what it looks and sounds like. And then the high speed is 3,000 SPMs or saws per minute. And here's what it looks and sounds like. All right, looks like a great hedge trimmer. I like the 20 inches, covers a lot of area. So let's give it a try. And it'll cut horizontally each side, left or right, or it'll cut up and down. This 20-inch battery operated hedge trimmer was exactly what I was looking for. Works very good, very efficiently. I like the choice of the 3 speeds, very lightweight. I think it's about 4.5 pounds. Very safe to operate and to use. It'll cut up to 3/4 of an inch size branch. So I think you would enjoy this as well. So I highly recommend this hedge trimmer made by Immune Live.